Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have a friend of mine sending me these poor Apple IIc in very ugly state. Look at this. This poor guy has seen better days for sure. It's all dirty. I don't even know if it works. And there's something moving inside. Oh, what's that? Oh, gosh, I'm a little bit afraid of what I'm gonna find about it here. Underneath, it's a 4000 A2S 4000. So I don't expect too much, but let's see what we find. Let's start. I'm gonna wear gloves just in case. Yeah, can you hear? There's something in there. So let's open up this poor guy. There we go. It's not opening. Oh God, what is that? Oh, you see that? Damn. Okay. Let's try to open it up with some wood pieces so I don't damage the plastics. Wow, look at that. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna have to go outside and scrape these. I decided to go outside and give it a good scraping because this is really nasty. Look inside that. It's very nasty. Well, I'm here. I know it's gonna be worse inside, so look at that. Oh my God. Finally it opened. Let's see how it looks inside. Okay, no nastiness yet. Not yet. I mean, it's kind of nasty, but still not that bad. Ooh, surprise! Ooh, looks like a Z80. Oh yeah. And guess what was inside? Okay, so let's clean it up a little and bring it back inside. I'm back inside. After the mosquitoes almost ate me alive, we opened it up, cleaned up a little bit of the stuff, and we found out that it comes with, take out this carefully, man, this is really tight. Take out the keyboard, and it comes with a CPM card. So this is a nice find. I'm not sure this is gonna turn on. Let's try it. Let's try to turn it on before I continue disassembling it. Just for the fun of it, because I'm gonna make it happen anyway. I'm gonna make it work. Okay, I got my good old trusty monitor over here, Night Owl. I'm connecting power. Making sure that everything is connected. Put it in. Well, I gotta connect the keyboard, if not it's gonna begin to do, because it looks like it's 255 already, or still. so I won't be able to know about bad RAM or anything. But let's see what happens here. Okay, no sound. So we got issues already. We got power, but we got no sound. We got no floppy, nothing. So that means that maybe it's oh, there. I just move a little bit the card. Let's turn it off. Let's seat up things. Oh, I had to reseat the card. It started out. Let's run a program. Here we go. What's up with the sound? It's not connected. I don't know. Let's do some tests. Memory. That's the most important part. Oh yeah, memory's good. So now, don't worry about that flickering. It's weird. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Extended A column. Everything good. And of course, it won't recognize the 0 RAM. But let's do one thing. Hold on. I got my CPM discs with me. Let's try CPM right now. Gosh. Hey! Oh! It's working! CPM. Of course. My cable is pretty bad. Sorry about it. I gotta change that cable. There you go. CPM. So it's working. Okay, let's clean it up. While I'm disassembling this, I'm gonna show you something. I just took out all the screws, and I took out this. What I'm gonna do over here is I'm gonna put some kind of protection so it doesn't break. Those pins are very fragile. Well, not fragile, but they need to be protected anyway. So I'm gonna put something over there. But before that, I can show you that it goes to pin. I don't know, it's number 2 or something like that. Let's get closer. Yeah, I think it's pin number 2. Can you see it? Yeah, there it is. I need more light. There. Okay, oops. Okay, so there it is. you can see, I already retrobrited this and it came out really good. All those stains went out. Oh, it's a little bit humid still there, but there was a big stain over there. Retrobrite took care of that. I retrobrited with this already because when I leave it at the sun, everything evaporates and it doesn't affect. It would be bad, and already was in a place that had rotten stuff, so a little bit of water, I think it doesn't affect it anymore. I took care that it was really dry because I left it in the sun for about 4 hours, so I know it's dry. So it's beautiful now. All the yellow is gone. And what I did before I started the video is there was some stuff over here that I just took a nail file, and I filed it away. Same thing here. There was some I don't remember how you tell it, but you know, it was beginning to decay, and I just took a nail file and file it away, so at least it doesn't continue doing it. But I don't want to file everything because, you know, the color overall is good. The paper, there's nothing to do over there. It's just, you know, darken a little bit, but it won't affect anything. So I'm just going to put it together like that. Then that is looking good. For this I use the A6000 cement. I just put a small, oops, you see, 1 drop, that's it. Put it in. I like it because this cement is like rubber cement, so it won't destroy it, it won't do anything bad, but it will be good. It will keep it there. I may upgrade it later, but it's working. Nice and easy. Oh, what am I touching? Oh, there you go. Oh. Oh. 255. Good. Everything's working. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, and comment a lot. Until next time, see you later.